Good morning, everyone. This is Shah, Assistant Professor, Civil Department in Chevron Engineering College. Subject Estimation, Specification and Contracts, Unit 5. On topic Individual Wall Method. Means long wall method and short wall method. So we discussed the formula, long wall method and short wall method previous classes. So here long wall of the length formula, center to center length of the wall plus half breadth on one side plus half breadth on other side, that equal to center to center length of the wall plus one breadth total length. For finding out the length of the short wall or cross wall, subtract from the center length. So the one breadth of the wall which gives the length of the short wall into in instead are adding. Next, short wall length, the length of the short wall center to center length minus one breadth. Long wall is adding plus one breadth and short wall is less one breadth. So the length of the long wall usually decreases from the earthwork to the brickwork, and the length of the short wall is increased. So we go to the problem, write the problem, estimate the quantities of following items of a two-roomed building given in figure. Estimate the quantities of following item of a two-roomed building given in figure. So first one is the earthwork in excavation in foundation trench. Second one, lime concrete in foundation. Third one, first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. 2.5 centimeters thick DPC. 1:2:4 with waterproofing compound. Next, first class brickwork in cement mortar superstructure. So these five from figure. Draw the figure. Here two-roomed building size is the 4/6 and 6/6, means this length is 4 meters and this length is 6 meters. So here given is 4 meters, 6 meters, and wall thicknesses are 30 centimeters. This is the plan, and here given the details of footing. And also the dimensions of doors and windows and shelves are here given the two doors. This is the door 1, door 2, and windows are 1, 2, 3, 4 windows are given, and shelves are 1, 2 shelves. Here given the dimensions of the doors, windows and shelves. Door is indicated D and window indicated W, shelves indicated S. So first of all, the door size 1.2 meters into 2.1 meter. Next one, window 1 meter into 1.5 meter, and shelves 1 meter into 1.5 meter also. This is the plan and the details of the footing. Here ground level is here. It is the cement concrete bed. First footing, second footing, and plinth area and wall structure. Next, Draw the table form. Item number, description, unit number, length, breadth, height, quantity, explanation or remarks. This is the long wall and short wall method. Here only find out the measurements and calculation quantities. So first one, we find out, draw the figure, see the figure. Here we calculated the how many long walls and how many short walls. And here two rooms. First room is 4 meters length and second room in 6 meters length. Totally added 10 meters. This is the length is 10 meters and vertically means perpendicular to one wall, perpendicular to another wall is calculated in long wall and short wall method. So here is given 6 meters. Clearly. So here is the horizontal means our length is increase the length and that wall is the long wall and length is decreases then wall is short wall. So here is the long wall, this portion. So here calculated long wall totally. This is the one wall and this is the two long walls and short walls is perpendicular to long wall. This is the 1, 2, 3. So long walls are 2 and short walls are 3. Next, first of all, we find out the in a given problem earthwork in excavation in foundation trench. First of all, we calculated the earthwork. So earthwork in excavation in foundation. First one long walls and second one is the short walls. So long walls in total numbers 2. And length is long wall. So here see the length 4 plus 6 plus wall thickness 30 centimeters means 0.3 plus left side here taking the length center to center of the wall. So 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2 that equal to 0.3 that equal to 10.6 and short wall also center to center of the wall. So 6.6 plus 0.3 by 2 plus 0.3 by 2 that equal to 0.3 that equal to 6.3. Clearly. So here first total length of the long wall is 10.60 plus we open the trench is 1.10 adding in long walls and similarly short walls is less and means subtract length 1.10. So plus here 1.10 that equal 11.70 substitute in length value. So here 11.7 is substituted in length value in long wall. Next breadth value is 1.10. Substitute 1.10 breadth value and height is depth means 0.30 is only cement concrete. We are taking the earthwork is cutting from ground level to bottom level height. So adding total 0.20 plus 0.20 plus 0.20 plus 0.20 plus 0.20 plus 0.30 means totally 1 2 3 4 5 5 to 100 1.3. So height is taking and multiply with total quantity numbers. So it is height is 1 and multiply with length, breadth and height into 2 25.74 and short wall also 3 short walls. Here total length of the 6.3 and minus width of the cement concrete last bed and that is 5.520. So substitute 5.0 and width is 1.10. Total height of the short wall from earthwork excavation 1 and quantity is 3 into 5.20 into 1.10 into 1 that equal to 17.16. Then totally added long wall quantity and short wall quantity that equal 42.90. So next one it is the earthwork excavation in foundation. Next one is the lime concrete in foundation. So lime concrete in foundation is this the quantity. In this long walls and short wall both are 2 numbers. Long walls 2 numbers and short wall 3. Here length is 11.70 long wall length and short wall long wall base of the lime concrete is 1.10. This is the length and height is 0.30. Substitute. Then finally calculate the number 2 into 11.70 into 1.10 into 0.3 that equals 7.72. Next short wall number 3 and length is 5.20 and breadth is 1.10 and height is 0.3. Multiply with then finally 5.15. Then total quantity equal to 12.87. Here the first footing is 20, the second footing is the 10 and third one footing also 10 and fourth footing also 10. Then totally adding height is 1 meter. It is the one. This is also 1 meter. Next is second is completed. Next one. Go to the given problem. First class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. Is first class brickwork calculation in foundation and plinth area. Right, first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar in foundation and plinth. So long wall and short walls also calculated in first footings and plinth wall. So here see this is the first footing second, third, fourth, and plinth wall. So totally 4 find out in this measurements. First class brickwork in 1:6 mortar. So first one, first footing. Long walls in numbers, long wall numbers 2, and length is the long wall length is 10.60 plus 0.80. It is the this value. First class, sorry, first footing width 0.80 and height is 0.20. Substitute here given 10.6 plus 0.8, that equal 11.4 in length value, and breadth is 0.80 and height of the 0.20. Then multiply L into B into D or height, that equal to 3.65. Next one, second footing. So long walls 2 and length is 10.60. It is the long wall length plus second footing width 0.70 and height is 0.10. 0.70 plus that equal 11.30 and breadth value 0.70 and height is 0.10. Then multiply 1.58. Next, third footing, long walls 2 and length of long wall 10.60 plus third footing is the 0.60 and height is 0.10. So 0.60 plus 10.60 11.20. Substitute and width is 0.60 and height is 0.10. That equal to multiply with quantity 2 into 11.20 into 0.60 into 0.10, that equal to 1.34. It is the quantity of the third footing. Next one, fourth footing, long walls in numbers 2 and length is 10.60 plus 0.50. Fourth footing width is 0.50 and height is 0.10. Next, substitute 11.10. Here given the adding 10.60 plus 0.5, 11.10. Next, breadth is 0.50 and height is 0.10. Then total multiply quantity 2 into 11.10 into 0.50 into 0.10, that equal to 1.11. It is the fourth footing quantity. Next, and plinth wall above footing. Long walls numbers 2. Here taking the long wall length plus plinth wall width is 0.40 and height is 0.6 plus 0.20, that is 0.8. So substitute 11 and width 0.40 and height is 0.80. Multiply with 2 into 11 into 0.40 into 0.80, that equals 7.04. These 4 are long walls in first footing, second footing, third footing, fourth footing, and plinth wall. This is the quantities in long wall. Next, we go to the short wall. In this plan, in short walls are totally 3. So go to the first footing, number 3, and length is here adding the total values. Same similarly values are less in short walls. 6 minus 3 short wall length minus 0.80, that equal to 5.50 meters. Substitute and width is same 0.80 and height is 0.20. Then multiply 2.64. Next one, second footing, long walls, short walls are numbers 3 and similarly long short wall length minus second footing width 0.70 less and that equal 5.60 and breadth of this second footing 0.70 and height is 0.10. Multiply with 3 into 5.60 into 0.70 into 0.10, that equal to 1.18. Next one, third footing, total numbers 3 and length is short wall 6.30 minus third footing breadth is 0.60 that equal to less in short wall length that equal to 5.70. Substitute in length and breadth of the third footing 0.60 and height is 0.10, that multiply with 5.70 into 0.60 into 0.10 that equal to 1.03. Multiply with 3 also. Last one, fourth footing. Numbers 3, short walls in short wall length minus fourth footing breadth 6.30 minus 0.5 that equal 5.80. Substitute in 5.80 and breadth 0.50 and height is 0.10. Next one, quantity is 0.87. These are four footings and plinth wall also in short wall. Numbers 3, here short wall length minus plinth breadth 0.40 that equal 5.90. Next, substitute length 5.90 and breadth is 0.40 and height is 0.80. That equal to multiply 3 into 5.90 into 0.40 into 0.80 that equal 5.66. This is the quantity of the plinth wall. And then finally adding long wall quantity and short wall quantities in footings and plinth wall, totally adding. These values are totally added. Then finally value equal to 26.10. This is the quantity of the first class brickwork in 1:6 cement mortar. Next one, see the problem. Next is 2.5 centimeters thick DPC dam proof course 1:2:4 with waterproofing compound. We have calculated this fourth one. 2.5 mm thick dam proof course in long walls and short walls. It is the calculated in square meters dam proof course. So numbers in long walls 2 and short walls 3. Here it is only length into breadth is taken, then convert into square meters. So long wall length is 10.60 meters. See the figure. Here dam proof course is, this is dam proof course. No height, only thickness. Breadth into length. It is the proof course is taken 0.40 length. So substitute in adding long wall length plus breadth 0.40 that equal 11 meters. Substitute in length value and breadth value 0.4, that multiplied 2 into 11 into 0.40 that equal to 8.80. Next one, short walls. Short wall numbers are 3. Length is the short wall 6.3 and here long wall in adding short wall in less 0.40 that equal 5.90. Substitute in length value and breadth value 0.4, that multiply 3 into 5.9 into 0.40 that equals 7.08. Clearly? Here detected door seals means door placed in the dam proof course that only seals is less than. So here numbers, totally door numbers 2. So length is 1.2 meters and height is 2.10 meters. Here taking only length 1.20 meters and height is 0.40. Means breadth is 0.40 is taken. Number of doors is 2 is detected, so taking negative value and length of the door 1.2 meters and breadth is 0.40. So multiply 2 into 1.20 into 0.40 that equals 0.90. Here taking less value. So 8.80 plus 7.80 minus 0.96. Total is 14.92. This is the 2.5 mm thick DPC long walls in short walls. Next, last one. First class brickwork in cement mortar superstructure. So fifth one is the first class brickwork in lime mortar with superstructure. Here, long walls and short walls taken. So it is come units cubic meters. Here, direct the windows, doors, and shells at a lintel levels and door openings. First of all, long wall, short walls are calculated, then remaining direct the doors, windows, shells. In superstructure, first of all, calculate the walls, and after calculated doors and direct walls in doors. First, the long wall numbers 2, and length is long wall length is 10.60 plus 0.3. Here, breadth is taken. Here, superstructure 0.30 is taken. Adding 10.60 plus 0.3, that equals 10.09, and breadth is 0.30, and height is taken 4.20. When superstructure 4.20, substitute in height, then multiply with 2 into 10.90 into 0.30 into 4.20, that equal to 22.47. This is the long wall in superstructure quantity, and also go to the short wall. Numbers are 3. Here length calculated. Short wall length is 6.30 minus superstructure thickness 0.30, that equals 6. And breadth is 0.30 and similar height is 4.2. Multiply with 3 into 6 into 0.3 into 4.20, that equal to 22.68. These are the superstructure in long walls and short walls. Next, we go to the detecting the door openings and detection the lintel levels of doors and windows shells. First, detect that for door opening. Number of doors equal to 2, and length of the door 1.20 meters, and breadth is 0.30. Here lintel level means superstructure thickness, and height of the door is here given the dimension 1.2 into 2.1. That equal to 2 into 1.2 into 3, 0.3 into 2.1, that equal to 1.51 is negative value for detection. And detect the windows openings also. Number of windows are given 4 windows, 1, 2, 3, 4 windows. Window size 1 into 1.5. So detect the for windows 4, and length is 1 meter length window, and breadth is 0.30 is the superstructure of wall thickness, breadth, and height of the window 1.50. Next one, 4 into 1 into 0.3 into 1.0. This is the negative value for less detector. And detector for shells, 2 shells, and dimension is 1 into 1.5, and length is 1 meter, and shells is taken 3/4 of the wall and 0.20, and height is 1.5, that equal to that equals 0.60. So here back of shells of thickness 10 centimeters thick wall. This is the direction of shells, doors and windows. Next, direction for lintel over doors. So direction for lintel over the doors and direction in lintel, windows and shells. So number of doors 2, length is 1.50 meters and thickness 0.3, and here height is taken 0.15 for lintel height. Here bearing 15 centimeters taking. at the top of the above the door lintel height. Next one, detection for lintel for windows, number of windows 4 and length is 1.3 meters and also breadth 0.3 and lintel bearing 0.15. Then multiply with 4 into 1.3 into 0.3 into 1.0.15, that equal 0.23. Next one, detection in lintel level source shells. Number of shells is 2 and length is 1.30 and breadth is 0.30 and height is 0.15. It is the bearing of 15 centimeters. Multiply with 3, 1.3 into 0.3 into 0.15, multiply with numbers 2, that equals 0.12. These are the negative values taken for deduction purpose, and 22.47 plus 22.68 remaining values are negative taken. Then final value is 45.75. This is the total quantity in superstructure first class brickwork. So earthwork in quantity is the 42.90 long walls and short walls, and second one lime concrete in 12.87. Third one is the first class brickwork and cement mortar foundation plinth, that equal total quantity 26.10. Next one, fourth one is the damp proof course 2.5 mm thick, that equal to 14.90 square meters. Here fifth one is the first class brickwork in lime mortars in superstructure. The quantity is 45.75 cubic meters. Here only damp proof course is square meters, remaining all values are in cubic meters. So clearly this is given 28 marks. So here clearly understand in long walls and short walls. First of all, we calculate the long wall and adding the breadth values and short walls in calculate the short wall, same breadth value is less in short wall, adding long wall and subtracting short walls. This is the difference in long wall and short walls. Okay, clearly all of you? Okay, thank you very much. Any doubt in this session?